How many times have you been so eager to apply for a remote role, and when you go through the application and notice there is a request for you to share an introduction video, you decline? You immediately say, "This is not the job for me. I'm not gonna go for this." I've been there in the past, and sometimes I would fumble through it, share some half-baked video. However, over time, I've gotten better because I realize this is one of the barriers to entry that hiring managers or companies use. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to record a job application video that is polished, confident, and memorable so you can move on to the next round while everyone else gets filtered out. Let's get into it. First thing we're going to break down is an understanding of what they are really looking for. Before you hit record, you must understand what the company is actually evaluating when they ask you for a video. They want to see three things, and the first one is communication skills. Are you the kind of individual who can articulate yourself clearly and concisely? If you're going for remote work especially, remember that it thrives on clear communication. So sharing a little about who you are in a clear and concise format, it tells them a lot about the kind of communication level that you have. The second one is personality and cultural fit. Your CV, it tells them what you've done. However, the video, it tells them who you are. Whenever I'm recording videos, I always ensure to show my personality when recording. I play around with words when expressing myself because the intent is to come off warm and approachable. The third one is professionalism and attention to detail. How do you show up for a 90-second video? It tells a lot about who you are and how you show up at the job. Because remember, presentation is everything, and how you present yourself is a reflection of who you are to the hiring manager. So, before you record a single frame, reread the job description carefully. Understand the company's tone and culture. This will shape everything about how you present yourself. All right, now that we have an understanding of why a video is required, let's talk about what you're going to say. The number one mistake people make is winging it, just going for it. Don't do that. A rambling and unstructured video is the fastest way to get rejected, and we don't want that. So this is a simple four-part structure to guide you. Step one. Open strong. Start with your name, the role you're applying for, and one punchy sentence about why you're excited about it, or your name and then what they asked you to talk about. Some jobs can ask you to share a personal story, so just get into it. Don't waste the first 10 seconds with, hi, my name is this. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Avoid the filler words. Step two is who you are. Give a concise professional summary. 2 to 3 sentences is good. What you do, how long you've been doing it, and what you are known for. Step three, share why you are the right fit. Now, this one, my dears, is the heart of the video. So pick 2 or 3 specific skills or experiences that directly match the job, and don't forget to highlight your results with numbers. For example, while I was working at company Z, I was able to support the founder and reduced 8 hours from her daily schedule by attending 2 tasks B. I think you get that example. You are showcasing your results. Step 4, close with confidence and with genuine enthusiasm for the role and a clear call to action. I would love the opportunity to bring this to your team. I look forward to hearing from you. That's a call to action. So there you have it, a structure to follow which will help you write a loose script. Scripts are important after following that structure. Then you go on to practicing it and make sure it's natural. Make sure you sound confident and in a conversational manner. Another aspect that recruiters or hiring managers may consider that can affect your application is your recording space. Your environment sets the tone before you say a single word. So here is how to get it right. Ensure you are recording in good lighting. This is the most important technical element. Whenever I record, I ensure to be in an area with natural light. I think you can see that right now. Natural light is your best friend. So sitting in an area facing a window, not with it behind you, and if you're recording in the evening, use a ring light or a desk lamp positioned in front of your face because bad lighting, it can make even the most qualified candidate look unprepared. Another thing is your background, the background of your recording space. It is key, so ensure to keep it clean and simple. It can be your office setup or a bookshelf or a plain wall. Avoid those virtual backgrounds. I don't know what you guys think about them, but for me, most times I find them glitchy. And if you have a camera or a phone, you can record in cinematic mode to blur the background a bit. The third one is sound. When recording, close all doors and windows if necessary. Turn off the fans, put the phone on silent mode, do what you have to do just so the sound in the room is good. If you have a microphone, you can use it. And if you record a video, you can also edit it in CapCut so you can remove the background noise. Now, finally, the camera position. Place your camera at eye level, not below the chin, not above your head, eye level. So it creates a natural and confident framing. If you're using a laptop, you can prop it up on books, and that will definitely help you. And also, the camera should be on arm's length. Yeah, that's it. All right, now that you know how to record a video, let's talk about what you're going to wear and how to carry yourself. Personally, before I choose what to wear, I research the culture of the company. I think I've shared here before a million times. Currently, I am a freelancer, so most times the roles I go for, they do not require formal dressing. I'm talking suit and tie or dress. Nah, we don't do that. However, if I was applying for an employee role, I would match my dressing to the company's culture. But most times it's a shirt and jeans or shorts, and I tend to show my upper body only when I am recording, just like I'm doing right now. I also tend to avoid bright white. It can create a visual distraction. You don't want the person who is watching the video to say, oh, I can't see this person clearly. Let me go on to the next person. And when I'm recording, I sit up straight, relax my shoulders, and smile naturally as I speak at a measured pace. Nothing rushed, and I always look at the camera. So maybe you've watched up to this part in the video and you're like, Joy, what will I record with? I do not have a fancy camera or phone. Girl, what are you talking about? I will say use what you have for now. Or if you can, ask a friend to share, then use it and record horizontally. Remember to always clean that lens. And if you have a laptop, prop it up on books and go and get some great lighting, and you can use Loom or Zoom. Now, your first video, it may not be great as you expect, but you can take different takes, and remember to ensure to give them what they want. They want 90 seconds, 60 seconds, give it to them. Just make sure you stay within the particular minutes that they have requested. I hope this video will help you with your next video for a job application. Keep in mind that there are common mistakes that can instantly disqualify you, like going over time. If they ask for 90 seconds, guys, give them that. The use of filler words also, using a lot of them, it can be distracting, and your environment. And before I forget this, don't forget to mention the name of the company. Say the name of the company out loud. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you haven't already watched my other videos, if you're interested in growing a career in the remote space, I hope you'll find time to do it. Bye.